Hey guys, I told you I'd do a little unboxing when I got this bag that I shared on Facebook. I had to do it. I couldn't stand it. I had to try, had to order it just to see if it will work. If not, I can return it, right? So maybe I can share a little learnings with you guys in the process, and it'll be worth it. Who else just can't stay happy with their kit, no matter how awesome it is? I always find something else and I gotta try it. And look, it's red. It's my favorite color. Right? Okay, I guess from the outside it just looks like a regular backpack. Should try it on, I suppose. Hey, matches my sweatshirt. Feels pretty comfy. Of course, it's empty right now. Let's see how big it is. All right, overall, it's about 19 inches, 13 maybe this way, 6, 7 deep, with nothing in it again. All right, let's get to the good stuff. I want to see the trays. Well, there's a little USB port right here. I think that's for charging. It's got like a rubberized zipper here. I'm wondering if it's waterproof. Okay, so we were wondering, is this gonna stay up? Looks like it does. So you got these little straps here you could tighten. And this is something I was wondering. I couldn't tell if this was some kind of frame that comes out, but it's like a door. Looks like they latch together so the two trays kind of stay together when it's closed up. You unhook that. You pull them out. See, this is what I was curious about. Does it run into these? It kind of does, but seems to clear them. They're a little stiff, but it is new, I guess. You see that? All right. So I'm not sure if I would love these things flapping around. Yeah, see, that adds a little bit of footprint on your table. Not sure about those. It'd be nice if they just popped on and off. So the inside, it's got removable dividers. See if we can take them all out. I'm curious if my paint trays will fit in here. If I pull these out, can you take the middle one out? Let's find out. Yeah, okay. You can take them completely out if you want, it looks like. Forgive my amateur filming here. I got home and was so excited to see this. I didn't really set up a big professional thing, but let's give you an idea. Okay, so here's one of those jewelry trays we all use. This one's a little cruddy. This is the 18 section tray. They're all the same size though. Looks like I can fit that in there. Still have plenty of space. So I suppose theoretically you could, you know, stick one of these dividers in here to hold that in place. But you can kind of see how deep it is. I mean, you could put probably a couple trays in there. Let's try closing it. So yeah, there's a little wiggle room. I think you could get 2 trays and then still shut this if you wanted. If you wanted to layer them, but I like that you could just open it up and have it ready. One thing I don't like about these kind of drawers or trays is that you can't really see what's under them as well, but if most of your paints are visible in the center, which it seems like they are with these trays, you could maybe just put some other supplies down in those corners back in there. And I've actually cut these trays many times to make them fit into kits. So if we lay this one out here, it looks like if I put it in this way, it might just fit. Okay, I've got plastic on the bottom of mine, so it makes it a little bit wider. Let me get an empty one and we'll play with that. Okay, here are a couple of those jewelry trays that many of us use. I've heard these are discontinued now by the manufacturer. I have to look into that. We do have a few of these left if anybody's looking for them. But the cool thing about these trays is they are easy to cut with a scissors. So I often cut mine to fit into kits. And it looks like, will it fit this way? Oh yeah, it just fits this direction. So I could cut 2 rows here off of one of these 30, I think they're 32 squares, and fit that many. I could fit that many colors on a top tray. Let's try this, the 18 section one. Looks like I'd have to cut 2 off of there as well. But I could fit a dozen colors with this. And if I cut this here, I could probably get a few one-stroke cakes up there. So that's kind of cool. And I bet you, look at that, I can even get 2 of these to stack in the depths of this tray. So yeah, there's a lot, looks like there's a lot of possibilities for how you can maybe fit trays up here if you want. All right, so these flappy things, I don't know, I'm not sure about those. You can fit a lot of paint in there though, I like that. Okay, so there's a USB thingy right here. Oh, so there's another layer in this. 2 layers in this. Oh, this is an outside pocket, okay. Second layer, oh, and that also has these straps. Which means you could, theoretically, I suppose, do this even. Just tighten these and access both sides. Nah, I don't know if I'd work like that, but so this layer here, it's got a mesh pouch, it's kind of nice, it sponges in. Flap, this is like a vinyl, and a little side pocket up here. That goes all the way, the whole depth. Looks like, let me check. Ha! All the way through. Okay, zipper pocket with mesh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide pockets. You can even, I bet, fit a little narrow spray bottle in there. Here's the cord. So it looks like it comes through from the outside. I suppose you could plug in a power bank in there. There's another big mesh pocket. And then if you had this all zipped up, you could plug your phone in here and charge it or whatever. I like that, things to protect brushes. That's the center layer. Okay, and inside the main compartment, another big flap. This covers the whole thing. There's a lot of little pockets on this, but you could like flip that over and put stuff in here. A whole bunch of pockets here. Those are pretty thick. Like that will fit a water bottle easily. Even the smaller ones. Some little brush holders here. Oh, it looks like they're open on the bottom though. So your brushes would come all the way down. I wonder if that would get in the way. This probably isn't an ideal brush storage thing here. I'm thinking I'd use my usual brush wallet. Maybe store it in the bottom of here or something. Side pocket here, I guess you could put, it's not really big enough for a water bottle. I think Amazon shows an umbrella in it. Okay, if I have my water bottle in there, I can still zip it up, looks like. I don't know, I might try this out. I might not return it. I might have to try it now that I have it. See, I knew that was going to happen. Maybe I'll bring it out to Max in April, St. Louis. If I can trick it out by then, I'll bring it, and then you guys can see it in use. Well, thanks for checking it out with me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you use this? Do you have questions I didn't cover? Let me know.